Wheel life, is this wheel life? So we's at the municipal office. Gotta renew my license, my driver's license, because I was first driving with a gas and brake pedal on my left leg because my right leg wasn't so responsive, and now my left leg isn't good for inner city driving as well. It gets tired too quickly, so I had to get tested again, and now I'm gonna drive with a push and pull. So that's like a lever that you use with your right hand to give gas and brake. And then I'm gonna tell you about the car that we're gonna pimp. But first I gotta do my hair. Much better. Much better. So I was gonna tell you about the car, but I gotta first tell you about my motorcycle days, man. Look at this nice cafe. It's super empty. But I used to drive a Ninja, then I bought a VFR. I love driving the motorcycles, but I can't do that anymore. And with the cars, you got a bunch of shitty options. So I chose the most pimpin' one, thanks to my sister, shout out Nagus, for making it possible financially. Cup is too old, too hot to hold. Can't talk anymore. I need this coffee. I'll talk to you later. Took me about hour and a half to ask for my new driver's license. The weather's turning out nice, but I had to make new passport pictures. I hate that. Don't you hate it when you got the pictures, it's me, you know it's me, but your hair looks different, bro? Make new pictures. Like every time I change my hair, I gotta buy new documents. No. Stupid rules, bro. Stupid rules. But then again, there gotta be some rules, otherwise we can't break any. Özgürlükte deniz gibi ol. After a hard day of work, the Chinaman on his phone, eating the grill with the nice sauce. Bon appetit, buddy.
What's up?
Real life, that's what's up. Bitch. It's a lot though.
Not enough for me,
And you
man.
gotta eat that?
Not enough for me, man.
Not enough for me? You're trying to eat like Goku?
Yes.
Or at least like Krillin?
Kaioken.
Wheel life, is this wheel life?